Martini, Houndstooth, water instead of air and more power, pure perfection. This car already had a classic appeal that was perfect for a custom upgrade like this. The addition of the Houndstooth pattern and Martini colors not only matched the owner's personal style, but also added a touch of refinement that perfectly complemented the car's timeless design. Double stitching in two tones on the door cards, seats and a dash. Cross stitching in two tones on the steering wheel. Customized gauges. Have you ever seen pedal shifters on the 996 steering wheel? That's our work. That car is amazing. There's only one question. Would you name it Sally or Martin?